Doo-be-doo-bop, doo-be-doo-be-doo-bop, doo-be-doo-bop.
Hi, my name is Olivia.
And my name is Marisha.
And today we're going to show you how to make a Coke bottle explode.
But first, a little presentation about St. Louis School.
Welcome to St. Louis!
St. Louis teaches 2 to 18-year-olds.
It has 2 labs in the middle school. We do lots of experiments. One of them is the Coca-Cola explosions.
St. Louis School, International School of Milan.
2013 Cobus International Young Scientist Film Awards.
So, what will we need?
For this experiment, we'll need a Coke bottle and a packet of Mentos. And this is how we did it.
So, open the bottle. And pour the Mentos in. Whoa! Explosion!
Wow, but how does it work? The world's greatest scientist.
Hello, my name is Professor Rafferty.
And my Professor Radhika Malisha.
And today we're going to explain to you why the Coke bottle exploded. So, the reference area of the Mentos provides points of nucleation. The inside of the bottle is smooth, so when the bottle opens, the fizzing doesn't happen much.
The Coke reacts when the Mentos are dropped in because the Coke is acidic. Our test made it a few meters high, but the record was 10 meters high.
We hope you enjoyed!